What's up, guys? Prince of Macedon here at SeaWorld Aquatica. I'm pretty excited. We're gonna try Tassie's underwater twist, and we're gonna start by getting a drink.
Yeah, some seagrass punch.
Oh my gosh, is it good?
Yeah, it's very good.
I can't wait. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, of course. Have a great day.
You too. Let's try this, guys. But yeah, I've never been to Aquatica, so this is a double whammy for me. Previewing a new ride and Aquatica. This is actually really good. I like the coloring on the bottom. Seafood provided us with some food to eat before we get on the slide. Buffalo chicken fries, chicken bacon wrap, ooh, healthy, avocado wrap, and tomato dogs, guys. They said this is supposed to be a foot long, so if I got like 5 of these and put them together, it would be a foot long. Just kidding, guys. They put a foot long out. Let's try it out. I like all the little extra bits on it. Is there any way I could get just like 6 French fries on a plate? Yeah, that's good. That's good. Thanks a lot. Ooh, I like the seasoning on these fries, guys. So let's try those fries. The seasoning on the fries, excellent. And then I got this bacon chicken wrap. So let's try it. It looks fairly healthy. Sorry, I'm making a mess out of it. This was nice. You got that bacon, so you can feel a little naughty, but you also have the chicken part, which makes it seem kind of healthy.
So without further ado, we have a full day plan for you guys so you guys can ride, but I'm gonna go ahead and hand the mic off over to our park president, Brad Gilmore.
I've been able to slide this attraction over the weekend, and I'll tell you, when you guys ride it here in about 15 minutes, you'll think of things like never before or one of a kind. You'll think about things like immersive, because you will slide down our tube and into our Super Bowl, and you'll be in the middle of a 360 fully encompassed projection system with audio. It'll transport you guys virtually to Australia's Shark Bay, where you will see whales coming into the frame. You'll see sea turtles, schools of fish, even a shark. And it's always going to be a different and unique experience as you slide.
Look at that, they're ready to go. So before I show you ride footage from Tassie's underwater twist, I just had to share this 360 video shot that was offered at the event. It's like an 80s video, right? Some of you guys want to see the safety stuff, so if you're under 48 inches, you have to wear the vest. I'm pretty close, guys. I am kind of short. This is the queue. Okay, I didn't want to hit her.
No, you're good. Go ahead.
Alright, so y'all ready?
Alright, here we go. Hope it's not scary.
It's fun. It's fun.
Woo! Oh man! Oh, whoa! That is cool! What? I'm glad there's a lifeguard here. I'm not the greatest swimmer, so... Ah! Oh, that was awesome!
How was it?
That was cool! Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Great time?
Thanks. Yeah, that was awesome.
You're just waiting next to the tip for me?
Oh, okay. Hey guys, I just got off the ride. I'm standing right next to Aquatica president Brad Gilmore.
Welcome to the park. Glad to have you guys here as we unveil the opening of our all-new attraction, Tassie's Underwater Twist.
What was the inspiration for putting like this big video screen room?
Yeah, so I think what makes Aquatica Orlando so unique is this animal component right that we have. We've got Commerson's dolphins, and we've got fish, and we've got sharks already. We wanted to kind of combine that with a slide experience, so we've created this virtual experience, which really is an incredibly immersive experience as you hopefully experience.
Yes, I did. Yes.
Yeah, so we basically are going to transport our sliders to Australia's Shark Bay, where when you're in the slide bowl and you're going around the slide path, you will be immersed in this experience where you'll see seagrass, you'll feel like you're underwater. There might be an occasional whale that comes into the frame, or a large shark, or a sea turtle, or school of fish. It's going to be different every single time. But as you're kind of going around the slide path, you're in the middle of this entire experience, and you really feel like you're underwater.
Gotcha. You told us earlier that you rode it already. What did you think?
When I rode it on Saturday, I got off the ride, I was blown away by the experience. So we've been working on this for a year, and when we talk to our creative team and our design teams, they're always very excited. And for this attraction, they really delivered what they said they were going to deliver. We've got an incredible one-of-a-kind attraction here at Aquatica.
It starts off pretty fast, and then when you get to that big bowl area, that's where you see the video screens. That part is mind-blowing. I love how they incorporated that, and the fact that you're spinning around quite a few times, you're actually able to appreciate the video footage that they put up there. So yeah, that was fantastic stuff, guys. And then I got to talk to the park president of Aquatica. That was pretty awesome, quite the honor. But you know, I've never been to Aquatica in my life, so I'm actually going to step inside the park and just look at it. You know. Not gonna lie, guys, one of my missions at Aquatica is to look for the pizza place. I think it's called Walkabout Pizza. Because I've been looking for pictures and video of what the pizza looks like. No one's posted it online, so I'm gonna get it on video for you guys. I'll take some pictures too. Here's the Mango Market. I feel like I've seen every restaurant that was listed, everything except for the Walkabout Pizza. This is cool, guys. We came in the other way, so I did not get to see that. So I did not find the Walkabout Pizza on that side of the circle. So I'm taking what I think is a shortcut, cutting across these little pools. Here's another said restaurant. Again, I think I've seen every restaurant now except for Walkabout. This one looks pretty good. They have fish sandwiches and burgers. Here it comes, guys. Look at that. What was that? Is that a dolphin? I'm not even sure what that is. Hey, here's a shirt of that sea thing I saw earlier. But it doesn't say what it was. There's that cool, I think that's the reef one. I think, I'm not sure. I've never been here, so I'm just kind of winging it here. All right, guys, I broke down. I actually asked one of the employees how to get there because otherwise I keep making circles around this place. Yeah, a lot of these slides are pretty huge, I gotta say. There's a little merchandise place called Adaptations. This one actually says Aquatica, so I can update my shirt. So I have something that's SeaWorld. Guys, I was standing right next to the store that is right next to the Walkabout Pizza. Why couldn't they put this picture on the website? I've been looking for just a picture. It's like a flatbread, which they described online as a flatbread. And there is not a line here, so let's go inside. And we're gonna try one of these pizzas, guys. That's a creepy pizza coming out. The way that pizza comes out of the oven is kind of creepy. There you go. Just grab that thing. Yes. And then she's gonna put it on her little cutting board. And then she's gonna cut that bad boy open. Look at that, guys. A pizza is born. Arise, a pizza. Thanks. Appreciate it. Oh, thank you so much. Dude, this thing is freaking hot. It's got freaking hot pizza, guys. Let's go find a place to eat this. Yeah, I decided to get the meat lovers pizza because it's the same price as a pepperoni. So why not add a little extra flavor to it? Suffice it to say, I'm a huge connoisseur of pizza and other types of fine dining. So let's go and rip this bad boy up. It is still hot, guys. I haven't walked for a few minutes to find a spot. I'm not sitting in the walkabout area because they don't have any tables there for eating. I'm at this other restaurant that's closed right now, but the employee said I can totally eat here. There's a lot of cheese on this, a dangerous amount of cheese. It's actually pretty good, but I wish they put more tomato sauce on it. As you can see, it's more cheese than tomato sauce. I'm the opposite kind of guy. I want less cheese and more tomato sauce. But yeah, Aquatica is actually pretty nice. Like, I've never been. I had no idea what it looked like except for what I saw when I was driving. So I had a hard time finding the exit. One, we didn't come in this way. We came in a side entrance by the Tassie's Twister underwater ride. So that's why it was hard to find this exit. But it's gonna be out here, and ooh, there's some pretty scenic stuff up here. You can see that dolphin thing, which we don't. Oh, it's over there somewhere. So in case you're wondering, this is what the exit looks like, because we didn't come in this way. We came in the other way.